This is Nirav Shah. We are into manufacturing of solenoid valves. And when it comes to my experience sharing, it has been a great journey with Manuj sir, because when I joined Manuj sir class, I was a bit of a fan of a digital marketing I did in 2010. This was the first thing which I started doing it, but then no science at all. It was just very, very bad. But then when I heard the first introduction class, and I said, no, this is much deeper. It's not just digital marketing, it is all about marketing. Because even if you know the digital medium, but if you do not know how to market, then you are no better, because it is just the change of medium, but the method is, अगर आपका method correct नहीं है, तो result तो घटिया ही आने वाला है. तो ये जो पूरा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा पोजिशनिंग स्टेटमेंट, मैं बताऊंगा कि ये पोजिशनिंग स्टेटमेंट इज अ वेरी वेरी पावरफुल थिंग टू कम्युनिकेट, राइट. मैंने अभी आपको ब्रीफ में बता दिया, पर मेरा हर कस्टमर के सेगमेंट के लिए अलग पोजिशनिंग स्टेटमेंट है, हर प्रोडक्ट के लिए अलग पोजिशनिंग स्टेटमेंट है, मेरे R&D डिपार्टमेंट का पोजिशनिंग स्टेटमेंट अलग है, मेरे एम्प्लॉय जब मैं एनरोल करता हूँ, when we want to attract talent, I have made a positioning statement for that also. What is there in it for them? How it will create us. So everywhere we are trying to use this statement and step and twist. This is like, I think it's the next killing thing. My all brochures previously, which we built, they were typically talking about product features, and this is how we are different. But then how that differentiation is giving benefit into total INR numbers. Even if you talk about risk, you have to ultimately come down to INR or something which is very solid. And this has been a complete change with our documentations. My all new brochures are now coming with ROI calculations, which was never ever, nobody does this in our industry. Never ever thought about, anyone has thought about it, and now whole approach has changed. So I can give this example. We have built one unique solenoid valve which was used in the industry, and we were helping customers save air. Usse air consumption save hota tha, and we used to say, our air consumption is, you will save some air by this. But that was not creating impact. Everything was coming down to the price. Now, when we did a complete ROI calculation, okay, what is the cost of air? So we asked the customer only, okay, what is your compressor size? What is the electricity units you spend? And then ultimately we come down and says, okay, it is 2 paisa per cubic feet is the cost of compressed air. And now this is the amount of air. And when we calculated, sir, it was so amazing. We are like 5 rupees per unit, which is a minimum rate in the India. In some states. We are able to give 87% ROI, return on investment, at our least price, non-discounted price. Now, when we show this thing to the customers, they are like, wow, yes, abhi hota hai. And it's now taking up, and then they are saying, okay, get me a sample, I want to check it out. So previously, which was push market, became a pull market. And it is now, what has happened because of this? One place we got the success. Previously we were struggling with the sales. Now the sales is like almost double or triple for that particular product. And now we are working out for all our products. Just to give you an example in numbers, previously we were no more doing any digital marketing. We were getting only 30 to 50 inquiries. Only 30 to 50 inquiries. Then I joined your class, started doing all LinkedIn, Google Lead, SEO on our website and everything. And now we started generating somewhere around 150 or something leads. And then we optimized with your further science, deeper science onto Google, Google AdWords, which is really giving us a success, and also SEO side. Now we have reached to the level of around 250 to 225 per week. We are getting this much leads. There has been awesome results, and I can say, sir, I'm extremely grateful for teaching us or teaching me the science of the stab and twist and the results and the testimonies and also the positioning statement, because this has really completely changed my perspective of how to do sales. It is like, whenever my person says, I will go, we can discuss with this customer this, मेरा सबसे पहला question जो होता है, वो बात क्यों करेगा तेरे से? वो लोग बोलते सर रिलेशनशिप, मैंने बोला रिलेशनशिप जैसा कुछ नहीं होता, मुझे बोला बात क्यों करेगा तेरे से? What are you going to be there? What is there for them to talk to you? Because otherwise it's not scalable. You may have one friend, two friends who will talk to you, but then it's not a scalable model. So
Correct.
I can keep on going, but yes, this is what I can share.